yet, so hi, what's up? It's good to see you again. I know we've been to Seattle a few times. Who traveled here tonight? Who has seen us before? Well then. How do we sound this time? Is it worse or better? I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna say it's good. It's good, right? Now, it's my understanding, I've been looking out there, and I know you guys like to sing fucking loud. And I love it. And I want to know if you want to keep singing loud out there. So we traveled a very long way to be here with you tonight, and we want to make the most of it, right? I said, right. Hey, who out there got our first album? You guys know the song End Up Here. Do you know it well? You guys ready to jump up and down for 3.5 minutes? I need every single person in this place tonight to jump in this next song, alright? I said alright, Irwin, come on. The higher you jump, the harder we play for you, okay? When this next chorus hits, I need to see this whole place bounce, alright?